Hello everyone. In last sessions, we already discussed about how to store the string data and number data using the where keyword. And I already explained what is the type of operator and all. In this video, I will explain what is the difference between where and let keyword. Like what are the disadvantages in where keyword and how to overcome using the let keyword. See, I will explain with the simple examples, then we'll go with the theory part. Okay. See, for this, I am taking one file with .js extension. See, first I am taking one simple for loop. See, for loop means if you want to iterate some items, then you can use for loop. So if you want to print numbers from 0 to 4, then we can use for loop. I will explain first for loop here. See, the for loop syntax is for inside the parentheses we have to mention first initialization. Here the initialization is variable I equal to 0 I am taking. See, where is the keyword, I is the variable name and I assign 0 value to this I variable. Now I am taking one condition, I less than 0, not 0, 5, then I plus plus. See, the first part I am taking initialization. Second part I am taking one condition. Third part I am taking whether it is increment or else decrement. See, now I am trying to console I here. Console.log of I. See, I will explain how this for loop will work. See, first, what is the I value? I equal to 0. See, now next, the second part will execute. See, I less than 5 means what is the I value here? 0, right? So, 0 less than 5. 0 less than 5 means it is true or false? It is true, right? So, if the condition is true, then it will go inside the loop. If the condition is false, then it will go outside the loop. Now here the 0 is less than 5, right? So it is true. That's why it will go inside the loop and this console.log I is, it will print. See, what is the I value here? 0, right? So first the 0 value is print. Now after every iteration, the third part will be executed. What is the third part here? I plus plus. So I am using the increment here. I plus plus means the I value it will be incremented by 1. So previously the I value is 0. Now after one iteration, now this third part will be executed. That's why I plus plus means now the I value is incremented by 1. Now the I value is 1. See, now again where I equal to previously 0, now what is the I value? 1. Now again I am checking the condition here. I less than 5 means 1 less than 5. It is true or false? It is true, right? That's why it will go inside the loop. Console.log I. Now what is the I value currently? 1, right? So 1 will be print. Now again, after the second iteration, now the third part will be executed. Remember one thing, after every one iteration, the third part will be executed. See, after second iteration, now I plus plus is, it will be executed. I plus plus means previously the I value is 1. Now again it will be incremented by 1 means now I value will be 2. Now again where I equal to 2. Now again I am checking the condition 2 less than 5. I less than 5. What is the I here? 2, right? 2 less than 5. So again, if the condition is true, it will go inside the loop and the I value is print. Now again, it is incremented by 1. So after the third iteration, now again third part will be executed. Now I plus plus means it will be incremented by 1. So previously 2, now the current I value is 3. Now where I equal to 3, what is the current I value? 3. 3 less than 5. It is true. It will inside the loop and 3 value is print. Now again the third part will be executed. Now it is incremented by 1 means the I value is 4. Now again I am checking the condition with I value 4. 4 less than 5. It is true, right? So it will go inside the loop and the I value is, it will be print. Now at finally the I value, it will be incremented by 1 means 5. Now again I am checking the condition with I value 5. 5 less than 5, it is true or false? It is false, right? That's why it will not go inside the loop. It will come outside the loop. See, it will exit the loop now. We'll see the result once. Node demo 1 dot JS. See, the I values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the for loop. Now I will explain what is the difference between where keyword and let keyword with simple example. See, first I am taking where a equal to 10. See, I am not taking global variable. First I am taking one for loop where something I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. See, I did not console inside the loop. I am trying to console outside the loop. See, if you want to console outside, you need to declare global variable. Global variable means the I value, it will be outside of the loop, not inside of the loop. See here, if I equal to 0, 0 less than 5, it's true, it will go inside the loop, but I did not write any logic here. I did not print any console here. Then how the I value, it will be print. But using the where keyword, I'm consoling outside here, right? Outside of the loop. But using the where keyword, the output will be 5, it will come. But the expected output is error, right? This is wrong, right? I am consoling this one outside. The expected result is error, but I am getting I will 5 here. See the result once I am saving this file. See, I am getting 5. This is not correct, right? So, but if I am using the let keyword, will throw an error. See, now instead of where keyword, I am using the let keyword. I am saving the file. Now again, I will execute my file now. See, reference error I is not defined. See, I am consoling this I value outside, right? If you define I value as a global means not inside loop, outside loop. For example, where I equal to some 10, then you can print this I value in outside the loop. But I did not assign I value as global, right? I am using the for loop here and I am trying to console I value outside the loop. So using the where keyword I am getting the some 5 output, but using the let keyword I am getting the error. The reference error I is not defined. So which means the where keyword it's break the scope rule, but the let keyword it obeys the scope rule. So the first point is it breaks the scope rule, but let keyword it obeys the scope rule. Now I will explain one more example. See, now I am taking one variable where a equal to 10. Now I am taking another variable with same variable name where a equal to 20. So same variable name, right? So what is the output here? Console.log of a. A means the 10 or 20 will be executed. C. What is the current value? That value will be executed. But it will not correct, right? That these are the duplicate variable. Don't use duplicate variable. If I am using the var keyword, I will get latest value. What is the latest value here? 20, right? But if I am using the let keyword now, see the difference. If I put a let keyword, it will throw an error. It doesn't allow the duplicate variable using the let keyword. See, if you place a cursor here, can't redeclare block scoped variable A, which means it will not allow the duplicate variables. See, using the var keyword, it will allows duplicate variables. But using the let keyword, it doesn't allow duplicate variables. Understand? Now I will explain one more example. See, now I am taking one more example where a equal to 10. Then I am taking one block here where a equal to 20 I am taking. Console.log of a. See, I am consoling the outside, right? Not inside the block. If you console inside the this block, then you will get the 20 value. If you console the outside the block, you will get the global value. The global value is 10. But using the var keyword, I am getting the block level variable value. See, 20 I am getting, but the 20 it is inside the block, right? It is in one block. This is not correct, right? So I am trying to console the a outside. If I am using the var keyword, this if any block of code that will affect the global number, that is called global polluting issue. This is called global polluting issue. I am trying to console outside the block, so but I am getting the 20 here. It will not correct. The expected result is 10, but I am getting 20 using the var keyword. So this is the global polluting issue. Okay. If any block of code that will affect the global number, that is called global polluting issue. If you want to overcome this global polluting issue, then we can use the let keyword. See, instead of var keyword, now I am using the let keyword. See, definitely I will get the global value 10. I am getting. See, I am saving this file. See, I am getting 10 now. Using the let keyword, you can overcome the global polluting issue. Remember one thing, in where keyword, what issue will come? Global polluting issue. And it will be overcome by using let keyword. Okay. Now I will explain one more example. Global polluting issue overcome by using let keyword. Now I will explain one more example. See, I am trying to console something. I did not assign any variable here, but without declaration I am trying to console something. Then after consoling, I will assign variable where a equal to 10. Is it correct? No, right? First, you have to declare and initialize the value. Then only uh, you have to access the data. But here, I am trying to access the data before initialization. See, this is not correct. The expected result is error, but I am getting undefined value using the where keyword. See, undefined. But if I am using the let keyword, definitely it will throw error. See, I am saving this file. See, reference error, can't access A before initialization. So before initialization, we can't access A. So using the where keyword, I am getting the undefined. So this is called variable hoisting. Okay. If you want to access the data, then first you need to declare the variable. Then only we have to access the data. But using the where keyword, if I am trying to console before initialization, I am getting the undefined value. But this is not correct, right? So that is called variable hoisting. So if you want to overcome this variable hoisting, then you can use the let keyword instead of where keyword. If you use let keyword, it will throw an error like can't access A before initialization, which means don't access the data before its initialization. See, and the last point is variable hoisting. It will be overcome by using let keyword. Okay. See, I will explain one more. What is the difference between where and let keyword? The first thing is it breaks the scope rule, and the let keyword it obeys the scope rule. The where keyword it allows the duplicate variable, but the let keyword it doesn't allow the duplicate variables. Now in where keyword we are getting the global polluting issue, which means if any block of code that will affecting the any global member, that is called global polluting issue. If you want to overcome this global polluting issue, then you can use let keyword. And one more thing is variable hoisting. So don't access the data before initialization. So if you are trying to accessing the data before its initialization, I am getting the undefined value using the where keyword. That is called variable hoisting. So if you want to overcome this, then you can use let keyword. That's it, guys. In next video, we'll discuss about some more concepts like I already explained where and let keyword, right? So next video I will explain what is the const keyword and all. Thank you friends, bye bye, we'll meet you in next session.